Okay, folks, I'm gonna need to see your tickets, please. May I see your tickets, sir?
No. Yep.
No?
We're just looking for tickets.
Yeah, we need to see
go
your
card
tickets.
or ticket?
Who are you? We're the ticket people. You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Hey. I just wanted to say that you're like the most beautiful girl I've ever seen before.
Does it work? Yeah, of course it works. She's got that cracked great.
Video this.
You shall not pass! He's fucked in the head, mate. Do you guys ever shave your armpits? No. You never shave?
Let it grow out, yeah.
That's so weird.
You're alright, idiot?
Excuse me, everyone. Excuse me, sorry. I just have a bit of an announcement to make. I like to get kissed before I get fucked. Hi. It's time to go fuck my wife.
Come on, give him some. Yes. That man's down.
Get into it.
Come on, Batman. You pussy.
Get into it. Help you, Robin. Help you.
Guys, seriously, all of you, do you even lift? Like your arms, they're so little. My girlfriend's got bigger arms than you. I just noticed you coming on the train. I noticed how beautiful you were, so I thought I'd give you this rose. That's okay. How you doing? I made room. That's for you.
Thank you very, very much.
No worries. Hey guys, how's it going? You want a rose? That's just for you, man. How you doing? That's okay.
Thank you. There should be more of you around.
Oh, thank you. You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Excuse me, would you like to make out with me? You shall not pass!
It's raining men.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. And it's less of men. Tall, blonde, dark and neat. Tough and strong and mean.
Oh, what the fuck? Mate. Oh, dude, fuck. Oh. Dude, seriously, fucking, fuck, man. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.